yeah, so I'd probably say my music selection is quite like weird. Microwave. Travis Scott, I mean, oh yes. Oh god, that's it again.
Can't keep my dick in my pants.
God, I actually am so white. Don't know why I'm doing this. Shit. well. Every day, yeah. Oh, why am I actually still listening to this then? Standard, got a few different settings. 3 biscuit things, cause yeah, stop.
Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah, bitch, I flare it raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare it raw. Yeah.